Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. Welcome to the first haul, or my first haul of 2022. Guys, so a while back, I know I told you guys that you'll never see a haul on this channel and you'll never see a declutter on this channel. Now, I was half right because you won't see a declutter on this channel because I don't declutter fragrances. However, you guys know that I clearly buy fragrances and I clearly get fragrances. So you guys like to see when I get them. You don't just want to see them in a video. So I decided to start doing a few hauls. You're not going to be seeing a whole bunch of hauls on this channel because I don't buy fragrances like that. But, you know, on the occasion when I do buy a fragrance or two or three, I will let you guys know. So if you want to know what the fragrances are that I'm hauling in today's video, then just continue to watch. Guys, before we get started with the video, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure that red subscribe button turns gray. Tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thumbs up the video so I know you love my content. And finally, leave me a comment below so we can get to know each other. Now, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so all the fragrances in this video have been purchased. They were either purchased by me or by Bae as a gift. So none of these fragrances were sent to me PR. I do have a haul coming up of some amazing banging fragrances and I'm so excited to bring to you guys that are being sent to me. But for today's haul, everything has been paid for by, like I said, either me or Bae. So let's get to the first fragrance. Now, I am totally, completely, 100% eating crow on this fragrance right here. What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. Yeah, okay. Okay, you made an appearance. Now Choo. Okay. And that fragrance is none other than Bitter Peach by Tom Ford. Guys, this fragrance is everything. Let me tell you something. The reviews and what I've heard people say about this fragrance, I don't know what they were smelling. I don't know what I'm smelling, but I'm getting something completely different. I'm hearing very, very sweet, very, very like generic smelling. There's nothing generic about this fragrance. This fragrance is so beautiful, guys. It's so sexy. This is everything. It is sweet, but it's not like a fruity, sweet type of fragrance like a Mon Paris or any of your really sweet, fruity fragrances. It's not like that at all. Like, guys, I love this fragrance. And when I tell you this is a Tom Ford fragrance that latches onto your skin and does not go anywhere, listen, guys, I love it. It's not for everybody. I think it's a very unique scent to me, in my opinion, and I'm so happy to have it in my Tom Ford collection. Guys, I don't think this is a safe blind buy. It is very unique. It's different. And you smell the peach. You smell like some rum. Guys, this fragrance is beautiful. Super sexy date night fragrance. You know what I mean? Everyday type of fragrance. This fragrance is everything, and I'm so glad I have it. Bitter Peach. I'm so sorry for doing you dirty if I did you dirty, but I didn't really do it dirty. I was just like, it's just not for me. Like, I was kind of on the fence about it, but listen, I'm over the fence, through the gate. Like, we're here. We're here. Love you. And she's not going anywhere. This will be a repurchase when this is over because this is everything. I'm so happy about this. Next fragrance is a designer fragrance and it is by Jimmy Choo and it's I Want Choo. And if you can see that little dent, like a little dent, guys, I love this fragrance. Now this right here, it's not a groundbreaking, earth-shattering, like it's not anything like that. This is totally, for me, this is like in the house. I want to smell sweet. Bae and I are having a movie day. I'm on the couch or I'm going to bed. And I just want to smell super sweet. Like, that's what this fragrance is. Super fruity, super sweet. It's just a really pretty scent. Is it something that you've probably smelled before? Possibly. You know, it smells like a designer fragrance, but it's beautiful. And you guys know I love fragrances like that. I love my collection to be very well-rounded. I'm not a niche snob. I don't turn my nose up to designer fragrances because I still have a love and a place in my life for certain type of fragrances. Am I wearing this to a sexy date night? Absolutely not. Am I wearing this to that meeting where I'm trying to kill them and I'm trying to let them know who I am? Absolutely not. But if I'm just running around, running errands in the house, want to smell sweet for my man, I'll wear something like this because he does like fragrances like this as well when I wear them. So something like this is perfect for my collection, and I'm glad I have it. Jimmy Choo, I want Choo. I want Choo. So the next fragrance added to my collection is by Carolina Herrera, and it is Good Girl Supreme. Guys, either Extreme or Supreme, I'm not sure. It's another Good Girl. And as you can see, this one has like the crystals on the shoe. Guys, first of all, I want all the shoes, okay? I want Carolina Herrera and them to come out with a shoe that has like leopard print on it. Give me a leopard print shoe. I feel like we need a leopard print shoe. Is it just me? Give me something with a bright color, like another color other than the red. Like, give me some exciting shoes. I want all of these sexy AF shoes. They're so super sexy, and I just want to collect them because they're just, I love them. The Good Girl fragrances do get a lot of hate, but we don't care, okay? They're super sexy. They're appealing to people, mass appealing. And I told you guys before, the people ain't did nothing to me. I don't mind pleasing the people, okay? If I go around a bunch of people, ooh, and I'm smelling sexy like this, guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's a sweeter, more fruitier Good Girl. The other Good Girl to me smells a little bit more floral, and you smell the tuberose. I'm not sure of what notes are in this fragrance. It smells a little gourmandish. It smells a little nutty. It smells sweet and fruity. This is everything, and I absolutely love it, and I'm so glad I have it in my little Good Girl collection that I'm starting, and I want all the shoes. Give me all of the shoes, okay? So the next fragrance is by Louis Vuitton. You guys know I've been trying to get into Louis Vuitton for the longest time. For the longest time. Oh, okay, whatever. But I've been trying to get into Louis Vuitton for the longest time, but the line was just insane. So I found the Louis Vuitton that didn't have a long line, and I was able to get one of the fragrances that I have on my Louis Vuitton list. So the fragrance that I got is here. And I do not know how to pronounce it, guys. So listen, I love the Louis Vuitton fragrances. They smell amazing. They have great performance. But seriously, the names it's just too much. So this is the one I got. Atrapes. Child, listen. Like I said, I don't know how to pronounce it. The name will be in the description box. Atrapes. All right. This is so beautiful. Now, when I got my Etoile Filante, I did smell this fragrance, and I just had on my mind that it smelled like angel, because it did. It smelled like angel to me, and it still does, but it has a little bit more chocolatey sweetness. And you guys know, if you know me, you know I don't like leather. I don't like the scent of really chocolate. This has chocolate, but it's just so, it's different. Like, it's just sweet, and it's done in a more classic type of way. It smells so sweet, so sophisticated. It smells like money. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, and I'm so happy that I finally was able to add it to my collection because I was able to get into a Louis Vuitton. There's one more that I want, that I had on my list, but she also gave me a ton of samples. So there may be two more that I want. I'm not sure. But for right now, I'm just happy that I have this one right here. Atrapes reves that I've added to my collection. So we have 3 more fragrances. And guys, okay, one of these fragrances, let me tell you, this is like, if you're from New York, okay, so the 3 fragrances, the last 3 fragrances are from Bond. And this is the box that this one came in. I got them from Bloomingdale's. You guys know, if you're from New York or if you've been to New York, this bottle right here is in all of the stores. It's so, beautiful. This one right here, this is Astor Place. Guys, so Kiko Beauty here on YouTube, she speaks so highly of this fragrance. I actually found her channel. She does like lifestyle and vlogs and things like that and beauty. But I actually found her channel because she used to have a large Bond collection. She doesn't really speak about too many Bond fragrances anymore, but that's how I found her, because I was doing reviews and research on Bond fragrances. So I found her speaking of Bond fragrances. This is a fragrance that she says that she wears on her birthday every year. Like, that's how special this fragrance is. Guys, this fragrance is not new. It's been around. We've all seen the bottle. It's such a beautiful, beautiful bottle, but something just told me that I needed it. I smelled it and I was just head over heels. I've always had a sample because I always get those little bonbons and I loved it, but it was never in stock. Do I have anywhere to spray this? Maybe I can spray it. Oh, I sprayed bitter peach there. Ooh. And to dry down a bit of peach. Woo! She is good. I'm gonna find some type of skin to spray this on, because this is beautiful. It's so pretty, guys. It's feminine. Like, I don't think this is unisex, like, at all. I think it's a feminine scent. It's fruity. Ooh, it's so good. I'm so glad I have it. So this is Astor Place, guys. Definitely one that is worthy to be in your Bond number 9 collection. I don't have anything that smells like it. I've never smelled anything like it either. And I just feel like it's needed in the collection. So we got Astor Place. And another Bond fragrance that we have came in this packaging here. And this is the new one. This is the one that's called, what is this one? Nomad. This is the one that came out in 2021. This was released just a couple of months ago. And I wanted to get it. I was trying to get to New York to get it. I finally got it. Guys, it is everything, okay? This fragrance is so beautiful. Let me spray it. I can't spray my skin. I don't have anywhere else to spray. So I'm just going to spray here. Guys, it has oud. I don't know all the notes. I just know it has oud in it. And you smell the oud, but it's a very refined, smooth smelling oud. Guys, okay, Bond, they redeemed themselves, because the off-Broadway, or is it Broadway, the one that came out, I think it came out in 2021 as well, either 2020 or 2021, the red one, Broadway, off-Broadway, not for me. I smelled it and was so disappointed. This right here is beautiful. This smells opulent. You know what I mean? Like, guys, this smells like money. It smells so rich. It smells so good. Like, I'm in love with Bond all over again. Like, seriously, I'm definitely going to do a Bond collection video so you guys can see the Bond fragrances that I have in my collection. I'm just in love. It's beautiful. I love the bottle. It looks like there's crystals on it, but it's not. But it's beautiful, and you can also see, like, you know, through the glass, so you can see what you've done, like what damage you've caused to this fragrance. It's beautiful. I think everybody should have this fragrance in their collection. Like, seriously, if you want to smell like money, if you want to smell rich, if you want to smell different and exotic, this is the one to have, guys. I'm telling you, Nomad is so, so good. Love this fragrance. So now the last Bond fragrance that we have to talk about today is Madison Avenue. This is not new, guys. This is an OG Bond. Another one that, you know, if you're from New York, like, you've been seeing this in stores all over, or even if you're not from New York, if you're by anywhere where they sell Bond fragrances, this is one that they display also. Like, this is a beautiful fragrance. Everybody has seen Madison Avenue. I've always had samples of this, like those little bonbon samples, and it's beautiful. I just decided to bite the bullet and finally get it. I was trying to not get it because I was just like, is there a designer fragrance that can smell similar or that can give me the same type of vibes? And I realized no. This is one to have. It's so beautiful. It's another feminine, pretty. This is definitely the most feminine out of all the Bond fragrances that we spoke about today. Definitely a pretty girl scent, definitely a feminine scent, but it is a beast. It lasts forever. I went to bed in this fragrance, guys. It stayed on me. It's on the sheets. Even after I was washing my hands, I still kept smelling it through washing my hands. This is everything. Seriously, this is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance, and I can't hate on Bond. Like I said, I love it, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful scent. And this one right here, The Astor Place? Woo! Y'all don't even know. Listen. So that's my little haul, guys, of fragrances that I've added to my collection recently. And I will be having another haul, like I said, a PR haul of some bangers, okay? You gotta have the deep, you gotta put the in the voice with the bangers when you talk about those. That's coming. Guys, I'm so excited to show you those fragrances, but I'm not gonna talk about them today. I'm gonna try to hold water because Bae always telling me that I can't hold water. Like, seriously, I can hold water. I definitely can hold water, but I'm trying to not tell you guys. But once you guys see those fragrances that's coming, you're going to be so excited because I am over the moon about them. So let's talk about some fragrances that you've added to your collection. I'm not gonna go crazy with the fragrances in 2022, and I'm definitely gonna buy fragrances here and there. And there's so many new releases coming out that I want to get my nose on. There's a black opium flanker that has like a green juice in it. I want to smell that. There was another one that I wanted to smell. I forgot the house, but I definitely want to smell it. There's some Tom Ford fragrances, like the rose fragrances coming out that I want to smell. So many new releases. Like, they're literally like banging us over the head. Like, give me your money, give me your money, give me your money. Like, it's highway robbery. And hopefully, I'm so hoping and praying that Francis Kirkjohn doesn't come out with the Dior fragrances this year, because I'm like, can I hold some money? Let me hold some money, because the Dior fragrances, I already know as soon as those fragrances come out or a fragrance comes out that he's doing, I'm gonna want to smell that fragrance because I'm so excited about that collection. But anyway, I'm just rambling. Let's talk in the comments below, guys. We can keep it going there. Remember to stay safe, be great, stay great, and always strive for greatness. AI the Great signing out, but I'll see you in my next video. Peace.